installing the GPS tracker on it. Give you a little tour of the car. These are cars that people buy and rent them out and stuff like that. So if you're in that business, we put trackers in so that way you'll know where your car is, and the GPS will have a speed alert. So if the car goes over 100 miles an hour, whatever you put on the app, you'll get an alert to your phone. It has geofence, so when the car moves, you'll get an alert to your phone. So yeah, these are GPSs that we do here in Miami for these exotic cars. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Launch Specialist, and we thank you for watching this video of this Corvette.